Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this tactical pocket folding knife from Kexmo. I'll do a quick unboxing and then we'll go over all the features that this knife has to offer. So stick around. Alright, let's take a look here at this knife. It's going to come in this really nice, well-packaged design box. It's got the Kexmo logo printed on the front and a nice silver. The knife box will slide out of the sleeve here. And it'll have a magnetic front little flap here. Really nice design. And then inside is your knife. It's packaged nicely inside of a plastic sleeve as well as a full wrap foam protective covering. Very nice looking, sharp looking knife. Right out of the box, this knife has a really nice feel to it. It's got a G10 wood grain handle on it. Has a really solid, thick pocket clip on it. Not like some of those other knives where they just have a little flimsy tab. This thing is really solid. Make sure that it'll stay where you place it. The bearing on it is very smooth. This thing just, the action on it is really nice. Very smooth action to it, which tells me it's got a very well made bearing inside. You can open this knife the traditional way. Just pull it open. It's got a nice lanyard lock on the side. Push that over to close it back up. The knife can also be opened up with this tab on the back. And the action on this thing is super smooth. It's a well-made, well-constructed knife. It almost falls back into place. Just touch it. The blade goes back in. Another feature with this knife, this nice red accent. This is designed for a lanyard. You can attach your lanyard onto the back of this here if you want to have it hanging off of something. The only thing I noticed right away, the blade does not have the little thumb tabs up here. Some people like to swing their blades open with their thumbs. This one only gives you the option with this tab on the back. Can be closed up with one hand. Slide this lanyard over, close her up. I like the accent of the brown with the nice black metal blade. The blade is made from a D2 steel. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters, so it's not real flimsy. This is a nice solid thick blade. The blade measures just over 3.5 inches long. And the handle measures just over 4.5 inches in length, making the overall length just over 8.25 inches long. This blade comes out of the box razor sharp. This premium pocket knife features a razor sharp blade made of reliable D2 steel and is hardened to HRC 60 to 61. It'll provide excellent wear and corrosion resistance. With the wood grain G10 handle, nice lanyard hole, perfect size pocket knife. This outdoor pocket knife is a great multi-function tool. It can be used for a camping knife, a tactical knife, survival, hiking, fishing, suitable for a variety of people and all you outdoor sports enthusiasts. With its smooth action bearing and its super sharp blade, can't go wrong with this pocket knife. Well, thanks for joining me today. If you guys are in the market for a perfect sized tactical pocket knife, check out this one from Kexmo. With its nice G10 grip handle, smooth bearing action, you can't beat this knife. Fits perfect in the size of your hand, and the look of it is very pleasing. If you guys are interested in this tactical pocket knife from Kexmo, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.